Now, I want to let you know we are in a 31 alert day starting tomorrow. That's Monday night. This is that system that I've been tracking for you for about a week now, telling you it might turn severe and we're keeping our eyes open. Well, this is that system. It's here and we need to alert you to it. Our biggest threat is gusty wind up to 30 miles an hour during the day and 50 miles an hour during the overnight hours. Our severe weather window, 7 o'clock Monday evening until 7 o'clock Tuesday morning. Let's break down exactly what you can expect and when. We'll have a little bit of rain come into the forecast with a whole lot of cloud cover starting very early Monday morning as soon as that alarm clock goes off at about 6:30. We'll be mostly dry from rain throughout the afternoon, but we will keep plenty of cloud cover. More rain will push into the region just in time for that 3 o'clock coffee run, and then closer to 6 o'clock. That's when we start to see rain and some thunderstorms, primarily west of the corridor, but all of us could see rain at that point. The wind continues to intensify as the cold front that is leading these storms continues to track east throughout the Tennessee Valley. That particular line itself enters into the shoals right around 10 o'clock. But don't think that just because it's 10 o'clock in the shoals doesn't mean we'll see gusty wind out ahead of it. That's the way cold fronts work. The push out, we call it an outflow boundary, on the eastern side of that front is going to bring torrential rain and very gusty wind. Now, we will see a little bit of lightning, but it's that straight line wind that's our biggest concern. Keep in mind, this system is moving through during the overnight hours and into the wee hours of the morning, impacting the Huntsville Metro and Decatur right around 1 a.m. For that reason, I really need you to download the WAAY31 Storm Tracker weather app so that we can wake you up in the middle of the night with those alerts should need be. The system stays with us into Sand Mountain at around 4 o'clock in the morning and then pushes out of the way by 7 a.m. So for most of us, when we commute to work on Tuesday morning, conditions will already be primarily dry and we won't see much of that severe wind. We'll still be very windy, but we won't be talking about 50-mile-an-hour gusts at that point. Almost all of us will be dry by about 10 a.m., even including Sand Mountain, who held on to the rain and wind just a little bit longer. Like we talked about, we'll see a touch of lightning, but our biggest threat is that 50-mile-an-hour wind gust. As we're all too familiar with here in North Alabama and Southern Tennessee, just because it's not spinning doesn't mean it's not dangerous, and straight line winds can cause quite some damage. So go ahead and move any outdoor decorations you have on the porch inside, maybe move in some of that furniture or those plants. Just make sure you're planning ahead so that your property can stay on your property. 46 degrees when you first wake up on Monday morning with that cloud cover and the slight chance for rain. As we head through the rest of the afternoon, we'll reach our high temperature sitting at 70 degrees, which is well above average, and then that rain and stormy conditions moving in closer to dinner time and beyond.